Now, coming to the next one, sometimes in examination they asked to find the value of div of grad pi. Div of grad pi is nothing but del square pi, where del square is nothing but dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Now what to happen? We have to see here. Now div of grad pi is equal to del dot of del pi. Del dot of del pi is equal to, we have to write del is equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z dot of del pi is nothing but grad pi is equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Now here dot product takes place. Now already we have know that the dot product of a bar dot b bar, is equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Here that is dou by dou x dot of dou pi by dou x plus dou by dou y dot of dou pi by dou y plus dou by dou z of dou pi by dou z, that is equal to dou square by dou x square, dou square pi by dou x square plus dou square pi by dou y square plus dou square pi by dou z square. That is nothing but del square pi. Del square pi is nothing but, del square is called Laplacian operator. If del square pi is equal to 0, then it is called Laplacian equation. And some more results on this one. Curl of grad pi, that is del cross del pi is equal to 0. Curl of grad pi is equal to del cross of del pi. Del pi is equal to I dou pi by dou x plus dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. Naturally we have to taking that this del pi as f bar. Now here f1 is equal to dou pi by dou x plus f2 is equal to dou pi by dou y plus f3 is equal to dou pi by dou z. Now we are going to take curl of del pi, curl of grad pi, that is equal to del cross del pi, determinant of I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z, f1 f2 f3. Here f1 is equal to dou pi by dou x, f2 is equal to dou pi by dou y, f3 is equal to dou pi by dou z, and expanding this determinant and adding all these t terms, we have simplicity, we have to take the summation as summation I into dou square pi by dou y dou z minus dou square pi by dou z dy. These two terms gets cancelled. Similarly the next two terms gets cancelled. Similarly for k into next two terms cancelled. Finally this value is equal to 0 bar. That means curl of grad pi, that is del cross del pi, is equal to 0. This term we have to use as a result also. Now again, div of curl v bar is equal to 0. Some authors may use instead of f bar, they have to take v bar because it is a vectors. V bar is equal to v1 I bar plus v2 j bar plus v3 k bar. Now div of curl f bar is equal to 0. That is del dot del cross v bar is equal to 0. First we have to find del cross v. Del cross v means curl v, that is equal to determinant of I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z and v1 v2 v3. Expanding this determinant and adding the partial derivatives here, we have to take like this: I into dou v3 by dou y minus dou v2 by dou z plus j into dou v1 by dou z minus dou v3 by dou x plus k into dou v2 by dou x plus minus dou v1 by dou y. This is nothing but f1 and this is nothing but f2 and this is nothing but f3 here. Now again we have to find the div of curl v bar is equal. Div of curl v bar means del dot of curl v bar, that is equal to div means dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. This is f1 and this is f2 and this is f3. That is equal to dou by dou x of f1 plus dou by dou y of f2 plus dou by dou z of f3. And expanding this determinant, that is we have these two terms are, some of the plus or minus terms are there, all these six terms are gets cancelled. Finally this value is equal to 0. Hence the result is proved. Now again we move into the find curl of curl a bar, given that a bar is equal to xy I bar plus y square z j bar plus z square y k bar. Now first we have to find out curl a bar. Curl a bar is equal to del cross a bar, that is equal to determinant of I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z f1 f2 f3. Here f1 is equal to xy, f2 is equal to y square z, f3 is equal to z square y. And expanding the determinants by applying the partial derivatives, we have to find out this value is equal to I into z square minus y square minus j into 0 minus 0 plus k into 0 minus x. Therefore curl of a bar is equal to z square minus y square I bar minus x k bar. And again we have to find out curl of curl a bar, that is del cross of del cross a bar. This is again we have to take f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. Here f1 is equal to z square minus y square, f2 is equal to 0 and f3 is equal to minus x. That is again determinant of I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z f1 f2 f3. Expanding this determinant and applying the partial derivatives corresponding to that. Therefore I into 0 minus j into minus 1 minus 2z plus k into 0 plus 2y. Therefore curl of curl a bar is equal to 1 plus 2z j bar plus 2y k bar. And again we move to the next problem.